Hello, Terrytown. This is the first of several tutorial videos that I'm going to make for you, just kind of guiding you through the process of editing our new website. And I promise it's not as scary as it seems or as it looks when you get there. In this video, we're just going to review how to log in and how to change your password from that alphabet soup that it auto generates for you. So what you see in front of you is a copy of the email that I sent to you that had your login information. The only difference is there are blanks here because this was just the generic template that I used, but it'll work. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to click right here, and that's going to take you to the WordPress login screen. Once that loads up, you're going to enter your username and your password here. Now, like I said in the email, it's definitely going to be easiest if you just copy and paste that, because trying to remember it or write it all down and remember all the capitals, lower cases, the weird symbols and stuff like that is just going to be a pain in the butt. So we're going to use Mrs. Hazelwood as our guinea pig here. So we've got her username, and I've already copied and pasted the password. And once you do that, all you have to do is hit login, and then it's going to take you to the corporation page. So if you don't see anything Terrytown specific, don't worry about it. That's normal. You're going to go back to the email, and then you're going to click where it says Terrytown website. That should load right up for you. If it doesn't, what might happen is it might take you to another page that looks like the login screen, but it only has a spot for the password. If that happens, for the password, just use VCSC-school, and it should let you right in and take you right to this screen. Now, as you look, there's some little bit that's been done here, and then if you go down, you've got the calendar. There's all sorts of things. As you browse around, you're probably going to see a lot of places that still have some of the gibberish Latin placeholder text. It's still a work in progress. I promise it'll be ready to go for launch. But what we want to take a look at first is how to change that mess of a password. So if you come up here to the top right, it should have your username, and you can come down to Edit Profile. Just give it a click. And then when that loads up, it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. If for some reason I made a typo with your first or last name, you can adjust that. Your username is not editable. It's just kind of locked in the way it is. But if you scroll on down here, you're going to see a button that says Generate Password. Now, I'm not actually going to click it because then it's going to change Mrs. Hazelwood's password, and she's not going to be happy with me when that email that I sent her doesn't work anymore. So when you click this, it's going to give you another string of just random letters and symbols. You can go ahead and type something else into that if you want to change that password to something that's going to work for you. I would definitely make sure you write it down somewhere. But if you forget it, or if you change it and made a typo and didn't notice or anything like that and you can't log in, just let me know, because I've got master access where I can get in and fix that for you. So that's how you log in and change your password. And after you've changed that password, all you have to do is click Update Profile right down here on the bottom left, and you should be good to go. And that new password will be what you use to log in.